Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi, from the question given that here we need to prove the statement if A divides BC and A does not divide B and A does not divide C. Now prove this by contradictions. So now let us assume that the case where A divides BC. According to our assumption, this implies that either A divides B or A divides C. Now we will consider each case. So first case, if A divides B. So in this case, B can be expressed as B is equal to AD, where B is an integer. Now consider BC. So BC is equal to ADC, which is equal to ADC. So since A divides BC, A also divides BDC. This means that A divides C. So this contradicts to our assumption. Therefore, A does not divide C. Now, let us assume that the second case, if A divides C, then similarly it can be expressed as C is equal to AC, where E is an integer. Now consider BC can be written as B of C is AE. So this is again written as BA times of E. So this implies A divides BC, A divides BC, and also A also divides BAE. So this implies A divides B. So this is also contradicts to our assumption. Therefore, A does not divide B. In both cases, we reach the contradiction. Therefore, our assumption, if A divides BC, A either divides B or A divides C, is false. So we have proved the original statement. If A divides BC, then A does not divide B and A does not divide C. Proof. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.